Toll from Hurricane Irene now stands at 40 people killed across 11 states. And while the storm may be long gone, the flooding it left behind continues to cause major problems in the Northeast tonight. Jay Gray reports.
Days after Hurricane Irene slammed into the eastern seaboard, its presence is still being felt. Widespread flooding and damage follow in the storm's wake, with river systems pushed to the brink. Perhaps the greatest irony of Hurricane Irene is that landlocked Vermont is suffering the greatest impact from the storm.
And then the water started coming from the river towards the house, and that's when it was time to get out.
2 days after the storm blew through New England, dozens of towns in Vermont remain cut off. Washed-out roads and bridges will take months to repair. The National Guard is now trucking in supplies where it can, while choppers are being used for more remote areas. From the ground, the scope of the devastation is all too real. Buildings washed out by the sudden torrents are ready to collapse.
I didn't really think it would happen to this building. I thought it was structurally going to be okay because it'd been here for so long.
To the south, in Paterson, New Jersey, residents awoke to another day surrounded by water. Emergency crews continue to rescue stranded people by boat.
A lot of our fellow citizens are still reeling from Hurricane Irene and its aftermath.
President Obama today pledged support to those affected.
As a government, we're going to make sure that states and communities have the support they need so their folks can recover.
Yeah, that's a breach.
Recovery in North Carolina will also take some time. The Outer Banks' only highway is washed out in several places. The cleanup crews continue to work around the clock as the region struggles to recover from Hurricane Irene. Jay Gray, NBC News, New York.